Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to design wedding invitations and party designs. Yes, you heard right. I will show you how to create in Canva. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, then select your profile. In the search box, you have to open Canva website. So type Canva. You can also open from Google. Now, as you can see here, my Canva website is open. Now you have to log in with your registered account. Yes, you have to log in with your registered account. This is not, you can't do it for you can't make invitation without an account. You have to log in with your registered account. After opening it, go to create a design. Now search for wedding invitations. In the search box, type wedding. Now you can see here wedding invitation portrait. Click on it. Now it will show you tons of stunning templates, all customizable. Choose a template that matches your wedding or party theme, whether it's classic, modern, rustic, floral, or minimalistic. As you can see here, it's a different type of template we can see here. For example, yes, this one is cool. It will give you 2, 3 pages according to the template selected. Now you can change the photo as well as the text here by double clicking on it. You can change the text. You can also change the photo. Just go to uploads and download your preferable couple image, then post in this template. Now want to match your wedding color? You can also change the colors by clicking on it. Now go to this option text color, then change the color according to your need. After doing this, you can also change the hex codes. If you want a specific wedding color, you can put them directly. Now, after making your template, as you can see, you can also change the details here by selecting the options. Double click on it. You can change the text. And that's it. Now you know how to create a stunning wedding invitation and party design using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For downloading it, go to share and just download it. Thanks for watching, guys.